Hey guys, you're watching Cool Minds-Neel Maniar and I'm Neil. Well, it has been quite a while since I've uploaded a video, but here I am. So, this will be the fifth video of the Python projects for beginners series. The previous three videos um, are my extremely old videos where I made some projects for you people to look at. So after watching those, this will be the fifth video on Fibonacci sequence. Yes. So what is the Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is a sequence in which each number is the sum of two preceding ones. It goes on like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. So if you notice, 0 and 1, the sum is 1, 1, 1, the sum is 2, 2, 1, the sum is 3, and so on. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into our computer and let's code. Alright, so I'm in my computer screen where I've created a file called Fibonacci.py. Okay, in this file, I'm gonna write a function called fb, okay, which will have a parameter n. Okay, so now in this function, I'll create a variable called a, which will have the value 0, and b, which will have the value 1. So I think it's not clearly visible. I'll just increase the size. Alright, so we have passed the values of a and b. Now I'll create a for loop, okay, with I. Okay, create a for loop with I, which will be in the range of n. Alright, so this n is the same as the n which we have passed over here. Right, so what will we do in this for loop? Um, we'll create one more variable called c, okay, which will have the values of a plus b. All right, yeah, cool. So now, um, what we'll do after creating c, the variable c, we'll reassign the value of a to b and b to c. All right, so what we have done over here, we have shifted the values of the values of the variable a and b one step to the right, okay, in order to give the sum of the Fibonacci sequence perfectly. Now we'll just print out the value of c. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. um just save it and run. Okay, and it's showing nothing. All right, so I haven't called out the function, so what we'll do is just we'll write the function, and instead of n, we'll write the number, let's say 5. So what do we need over here is we need 5 numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, we can keep more, but let's check. All right, so we got the result: 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. So sum of 1 and 2 is 3, 2 and 3 5, 3 and 5 8, and so on. All right, so these are 5 numbers. Now let's check for let's say 10 numbers. All right, so 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 55 89. Right, so our code works perfectly fine in line with the Fibonacci sequence. So I hope you got a clear idea of how Fibonacci sequence works. It's incredibly easy. It has no rocket science at all. All right. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for new videos in Python project for beginners series, as well as other exciting videos which will be coming up shortly. So yeah, still till then, stay tuned and have a great day. Bye bye.